Everyone said, if you want seated, get a motorcycle. If you want to go fast, get an e-bike. If you want range, get a car. We said, what if one thing did all of it? This is the EMOVE RoadRunner Pro version 2. And we built it because our riders tell us exactly what they have wanted. Version 1, they said the frame needed to be tougher. Done. Thicker, reinforced, re-engineered 3mm thick. They wanted more range. We went from 60 volt to 72 volt, 40 or 60 mAh. Samsung sells 50S up to 75 miles on a single charge. You ask for better brakes. It comes with DOT4 brakes, true DOT grade brakes. These are generally used on the higher end e-moto. You wanted a better display. We put a 3.5-inch full color TFT right in the center. You can actually read it under the sun. It's a lot brighter now. We added a new 7-button console on the RoadRunner Pro. Much more ergonomic, much easier to press. You can feel every click, every increase, every decrease. This is important when you're wearing gloves and you cannot feel it. You want to have a nicer touch. You wanted wider tires, 14 inches. Same wheel but wider. Better grip, better stability and speed. They wanted stronger brakes. We are giving you full hydraulic DOT motorcycle grade brakes. 203mm rotors. You're going 60. You need to stop like you mean it. You wanted more power. Almost 10 kilowatts peak. Dual motors, 45-degree hill climb. This time around, we did not guess what riders want. We asked you exactly what you want. We listened and then we built it. Every electric scooter you have ridden, you're standing, you're tense, you're fighting it, especially past 30 miles an hour. The RoadRunner Pro version 2, you sit down. Dual suspension, front and rear. It soaks up everything. Memory foam seat, twist throttle like a motorcycle. Riders who have joint problems, bad knees, back issues. This is the machine that lets you ride again. Seated, stable and planted. You don't have to try very hard to balance because of the wide tires, how wide the frame is this time around versus the version 1. Let's talk about price. A Soran Ultra B with the same battery, 74 volt, 60 mAh, runs you $6,500 out the gate before tax and everything. A stock VAC 10 to 11,000. An actual motorcycle, insurance, registration, gas, maintenance on top of all the sticker price. The RoadRunner Pro version 2 starts at $37.95. No gas, no registration in most states. Take it upstairs. It does not look as aggressive as an e-moto. It looks discreet. Now this is the parental button that we have added. If you are sharing your scooter with your kid and you do not want them to ride more than a certain speed, you can just press this and the entire scooter will be kept at 750 watts. Of course, if you are in certain countries that only allow you to ride up to 750 watts, press that parental button and your scooter, no matter how you adjust the gears and the speed on the display or the buttons, it will not go beyond the 750 watts. That button can only be accessed by the RoadRunner Pro owners. Nearly triple the power and range of a typical e-bike, half the size of a motorcycle. One machine. The original RoadRunner Pro, 105 reviews, 92% 5 stars. These are not influencers. These are people who paid for it and ride it every single day. This isn't for someone who wants to put it in a display case. This is for the person who's done with sitting in traffic, who's done with parking fees and gas prices, who's done with standing on a scooter for 30 minutes and arriving at work with sore legs. This is for the rider who's been looking for something that actually keeps up. We built this one for you. Now go ride it.